Mwancho muligereria chinga gicukuru na baguli abagendete kugokera amachibu ya matemu amanene a KJSEA ayo nyatuka bagacoka ritukuri igoro cukuru y'oboroso ya Nyangoso SDA boarding primary neyamo yabo yesukuru kiri cyakorete buja una cyakorete buja sa amatemu ayo nyatuka bagacoka ritukuri igoro amono muwasiri omoske Migos Ogamba ase kolengana no mwalimu munene bwa cukuru yo rubonongori nyaka bagatabune cukuru yo nigo yabwatabarukirwa gwetani emyeyemo na 40 abo baigetie ekerengo kerie kimanyikanite buna meeting expectations.
We had a total number of candidates 206. Out of these learners, 143 got exceeding expectations, then followed by another group 204. Now that is the average mark, meeting expectations and above. However, only 3 learners who got approaching expectations, which is the lowest mark. Our school did not get any learner below expectations. Exceeding expectations, the percentage pass is 69.42. Otherwise, we want to thank you, the entire stakeholders. If there is a school to invest, if there is a school you want your learners to get the best, none other than Nyangoso boarding.
On behalf of the Board of Management, led by our chairman, Mr. Wilfred Oyugi, who is also an elder, for their dedication in support of the management of the institution. So far, the management of the institution has supported the school very well, and it is our belief that we do not just encourage excellence, but we also expect that excellence. So far, I want to appreciate my colleague parents who have been very supportive, very cooperative throughout the period we have been here as pioneer candidates and pioneer parents. I also want to appreciate our teachers who went beyond the demand of duty to do extra than they were supposed to do for the sake of our boys and girls.
Nasi chinguru chio monene wanafunzi aba banyarete ko miti mini ya 69%. Nare koiraniria oigo mwalimu ito monene asinginchu gotubekamo abalimu na abaibori amo na abana yonsi asinginchu kubwaterana na kie kogera matoke aya betamayo yatumwirane nyasaye ngambi yamono nande nsabe abantegererete bono iganga esukuru engiya muranyare koreta abana erinde banyare ko ba build spiritually na nyora matoke amaya Nyangoso boarding
examination 2025. And we are proud for the exams, the result that came out. We are very happy, very excited, and first and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty God because He has enabled us to be here. And without forgetting our teachers who are ever there when we need them. They have been very supportive with us. They are there to motivate us. And to all candidates, I would like to congratulate them for the good work that they have done. And they have showed that hard work pays off. Thank you.
Thank you.